Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up an alarm clock on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to do this, we need to open the clock app, and after that you want to switch to alarms at the bottom, and now we can press this plus button in order to create an alarm. Now over here you can choose the time when the alarm should go off, so let's say I'm gonna choose 8 AM. There we go. Now you can choose to repeat it every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, and so on and so forth. So here you can choose the days of the week. You can select all of them in order to repeat that every day. You can also choose to name it, the alarm clock. Let's say, I don't know, like work. There we go. We can also choose the sound for the alarm. So of course we have this default one. But we can also choose anything else. We can also pick a song and so on and so forth. So let's go back. And of course we can also enable and disable the option to snooze the alarm. Once you are done with setting up, you can press save. And your alarm will be visible over here. You can turn it on or off by tapping on the switcher. You can also tap on the clock itself in order to edit it and of course delete it later on. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!